All right, so a scatter plot is a graph that shows the relationship between two sets of data. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, scatter plots show us trends in data. So like sometimes we have linear relationships, but it's not like a perfectly straight line, right? Like you saw Brooks's pulse, okay? Perfect. It wasn't a perfect line. Like this, right? But we could see that there was a negative trend, right? Because his pulse was slowing down. Okay. So okay. I want you to go to page 114 for me. Okay. I don't know. The first thing I want to do is make sure we can read a scatter plot because some of us struggled with our Desmos activity. Okay. The x-axis is labeled as
Age.
age.
What page is that?
Oh my goodness!
The next page.
I said turn the page to 114. It wasn't just you. The y-axis. Thank you. So, which one depends on the other if you're a baby?
Weight depends on the
Okay, the weight depends on the age. When you're a baby, you are expected to gain weight each month. Okay, so your weight is the dependent variable and your age is the independent variable. Independent. Okay, our age affects how much we weigh when we're a baby. Okay, now the weight of a baby at 4 months old. Here is 4 months old. How much does the baby weigh? 14 pounds. No, this is like average.
Like 8 pounds is a lot for a baby.
So 7, it looks like 7 is like our average weight. Like my kids were 6'10" and 8'1" when they were born. 8 pounds, 1 ounce. Yeah, it was all in his cheeks. Okay. Did you not see me do this?
I don't know what that means.
That is disgusting. I'm talking about my baby.
Joke.
Not a very funny one.
Are you laughing?
I wasn't.
What is the age of the baby when the baby weighs 17.2 pounds? So here is 17, right? Somewhere in here. So would you say that's 17.2?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we read it as 8 months. All right, what tends to happen to the weight of the baby as the age increases?
The way it increases.
Okay. Okay. Which is why we see a positive correlation. We see a positive trend. If we were to draw a line, it would have positive slope. Do you have your blue pass? So what we could do, if we really wanted to, we could pick like 2 points. Like, let's say I drew that line. Does it look like that's kind of estimating what's happening here? Okay. So then what we could do with this is we could draw this line and we could say, all right, well, what's going to happen in month 15? How much is that baby going to weigh? And we can use it to make some predictions. And I'm not saying that's what we have to do, but we could do that. Okay. Okay, please go over to the next page. And you and your partner are going to identify what type of correlation each of these have.
I just came on. I feel like you should have been sent to home. It was a mix. Why? I come with the gun. Oh, you do.
All right, Drew, what kind of correlation do we have in number 2? Do you agree with Drew? Yeah. Awesome. Jacob, number 3. I don't know why I went to 3 next, but that's what I did. This has negative. Oh, because we started with 2. Sorry, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. This has negative correlation. Harry, number 4. No correlation. He's not telling me no. He's saying that there's no correlation. He could be, but he's not.
Send him out to the hallway.
Are you? Kari, what about number 5? Positive. No. How? Like,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
well, but I could like draw that and that fits the trend of the data, don't you think? Okay, thanks. All right. The table shows the depth of water filling in a bathtub after X minutes. Okay. Let's plot this data. Ready? Okay. What do you want to count by on our x-axis for our time?
Why?
I don't even know if we can cover all of these.
Looks like we can. I just need to get to 12.
I thought we were gonna know that.
Okay, so how about depth?
4.
4s?
3. You can't get it all with 2.
I get it.
I'm going to go by 3s. 3, 6, 9. 10. What do you think kind of correlation is going to happen? And why do you think that? Valid. You really think the air conditioner's on right now?
Yes.
Projector. Projector's pretty loud, not bad. Really conversational.
Boy, I think it's. Hold on, Miss.
Guess what? They're on your paper.
See?
Talk to me when done.
You're bringing McDonald's?
No.
What do you want?
I love French fries and Coke from McDonald's.
Karen, why'd you go?
McDonald's Coke is the best.
It's the Sprite.
Their eyes is so big.
Coke. They're Coke. And their French fries are pretty great.
Not like.
Kyron, why aren't you going?
I'm not even kidding.
Do you not like the world at all?
Go,
Like,
Bums.
no, it only takes like 2 books to get
Hey, it's okay not to like pop.
I
It's
don't-
pop, not soda, by the way.
Don't even.
Kyron,
Start that
just pull up.
Don't get it
Kyron.
I don't drink like brown.
Kari, do you drink Sprite? You don't drink Sprite.
Last time I drank Sprite, I spit it all over the floor. Why did you
I know.
spit it? Because I thought it was water.
Well, that would be. Okay, so let's just pretend that we draw a line kind of ish through these points. Okay, let's talk about our slope. So we have a positive correlation. If we draw a line that fits our data, we have a positive slope. And what would it be representing? So slope is rise over run, correct? Okay. Rise is depth in centimeters. Our run would be time in minutes. So whatever number it is, it's going to represent the centimeters per minute our tub is filling up. I would hope that that's a positive number if we're filling up a tub, right? But let's just take the 2 points that we kind of drew our line through. Like these two right here. This is 0, 6, and this is 8, 17. So what would our slope be? Between 0, 6 and 8, 17.
It'd be, no, it'd be 11 or 8.
Okay. So we have 11 over 8. So we have a little bit more than 1 centimeter per minute that our tub is filling up. That is a slow tub, right? Does that seem slow?
It's either a slow tub or it's just a really like big tub.
It's a pool. Okay.
Even a pool will take a lot longer than that.
Thanks, Kyron.
Some bathrooms.
It could be one of those big clawfoot tubs, right? Or one of those big whirlpool ones, you know, with the.
More like the big corner tubs. The whole room is a shower.
We had a whirlpool tub, but we took it out.
That's the point. Hello, everyone. I have some really great news